guys, in one of my previous videos, I said that the goal is to make our money get us more money. And you're probably thinking, Raquel, that's great, but how? There's a famous saying that time is money, and it's pretty hard to argue with that statement. Most people exchange their time for money by showing up at work. But instead, or in addition to showing up at work, we can actually take a portion of our money and make our money work for us. If you don't learn how to make your money work for you, then you will probably end up needing to go to work or showing up at work for as long as you're able. A little percentage of our population use money to get more money, but even our money requires time to make money. We have to invest our money for a certain period of time for it to grow. A great example of this is by selling options, which are just contracts that are exchanged in the stock market. For example, I can use my $1,000 today to enter into a contract to buy stocks. At the end of the 35-day period, my $1,000 will either be used to buy the stock that I want or it will just be returned to me. By doing this, my $1,000 can make an extra $47. And you might say $47, that's too little. But that actually equates to 4.7% in 35 days. And if that's annualized, that's about 49%. I don't know about you, but that's huge compared to what I get from my savings account. If I want to invest $10,000, then I will get $470, and all I have to do in that 35-day period is to let my money sit and wait for time to pass. And again, at the end of that 35-day period, there are only two things that could happen. It's either my money will be returned to me or my money will be invested in the stock that I want. Either way, it was my money that I used to make more money. Yes, it would take some time to learn this, but don't you think it's worth it? If you want to shorten the amount of time learning, I'll be happy to walk you through Optionwits' 7-step learning process that would allow you to invest independently and efficiently in the stock market.